In this video, we'll show you how to uninstall the Game Booster feature from your Samsung Galaxy phone. So to do this, first open the Settings app. Now scroll all the way down and then tap on Apps. Now here tap on this filter and sort icon and then enable Show System Apps. Now hit OK. Now tap on the search box and then type in Game Booster. Now select the first result. Now here tap on the force stop option first and then hit OK. Now scroll down and then tap on storage. Now here tap on the clear cache option. Now tap on the clear data option and then hit delete to confirm. Now go back to the previous menu. Tap on appear on top and then turn off this toggle. Go back, tap on change system settings and turn off this toggle as well. Once you have done this, Game Booster will no longer appear during games on your Samsung Galaxy phone.